Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Joy-Con controller when it gets stuck and you can't take off the wrist strap. So let's go ahead and jump into this Nintendo Switch tutorial right now. So I have my Nintendo Switch Joy-Con controller right here and it's stuck. It's because I accidentally put it on the wrong way. As you can see, the minus sign is back here and the plus sign is over here. I actually should have put the minus sign wrist strap on the blue Joy-Con controller. So now I have it upside down and it's stuck and I can't get it off. Well, no worries. This is actually really easy to get off. So on the back right here, you can see there's a little lock. So when I go ahead and press this white piece upwards, it's going to lock the Joy-Con in place. Now when I go ahead and push it backwards, just like that, you'll feel kind of like on lock, and you can actually move it easier and take it off then. So sometimes you accidentally have this locked into place and it won't come off. Now I can't move it when I'm sliding it, but when I go ahead and press it backwards, it just slides. So if you are still having problems when you press this back and unlock it, if you look inside this piece right here, you can kind of see like little teeth holding it against the Joy-Con controller, the back strap. You can actually take like something like a butter knife that has a nice flat edge and put it in here and lift up those teeth and unstick it from the Joy-Con controller. So once you stick it in there and lift up those teeth, you should be able to slide it off the controller. And voila! It comes off really easy. So taking off your wrist strap after you put it on the wrong way is actually really easy. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more Nintendo Switch tech help tips coming up next on YourSixGaming.